Today we're going to be unboxing an Alienwear 14 laptop. Here we go. Comes in a very nice packaging, shipped here by Purelator. Got this seal at the bottom here, just going to cut it very carefully. I've heard the Alienwear laptops and Alienwear products come very well packaged and secure, so we'll be checking that out very briefly, and then we're going to get into what the laptop's like. I have not opened this before. It is brand new. I just seen it about half an hour ago. Let's get that out of the way. Very nice, sleek box. Get right to the goodies. A little bit weird in how it opens here, but I think I got it. Very nice padded box, very secure. You got like an inch of pad there. Before we take the laptop out, like traditional unboxing videos, we're going to look at the other things. On the side here, we have the power adapter. Simple. And that is all we have there. Now here we have the 14-inch laptop. Yes, it is quite heavy compared to other laptops of its size. Just going to put that to the side. In the bottom here we have, this looks like a nice pamphlet with instructions, basic instructions. Simple quick start guide, don't need any of that. We have a Windows 7 Home Premium disc and resource DVD for the laptop, which comes with a couple drivers, CyberLink applications, warranty and regular service. Put that to the side. We have a little history and appreciation card from Alienwear. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter, they say. And I think that is all we have in the box. So I'm going to jump to the laptop. And here we have the laptop itself, clean and naked. I have not turned it on, have not opened it yet, so here's first impressions. Just gonna open it. Very nice hinging mechanism, very clean. 2 stickers here. Very nice keyboard, and is very nice anodized aluminum, nice and silver color. Of course, this laptop comes with all the stock Alienwear LED lights with the 20 programmable zones and the 10 trillion lighting combinations. Just going to pick up the camera here and give you a nice look at the ports inside. We have a Kingston locking port. Port I'm not sure of. An HDMI port, USB port with power share technology, a second USB port, a mic in jack, a headphone jack. On the other side of the laptop here, we have the CD Blu-ray drive, the multi-card reader, which currently has a cover in it, and a third USB port, and a gigabit Ethernet port. We spin the laptop around this way. We have the power cord, DC-in cord, and fan vent. An overall first take of this laptop, without it being even turned on, that is a very sturdy construction. Very nice. It is a gaming laptop, so it is quite thick compared to something like a MacBook, or to the bitter end of extremes, the MacBook Air. Very nice first impressions. Very nice LEDs off the start, so we're going to try and get into the BIOS here. Long loading screen, hit F2, and we are in. Let's take a little bit of a look around here. CPU type, Intel Core, i7, 4910MQ CPU. What we got? Blah blah blah. 2.9 gigahertz stock. Turbo boosts up to 3.9 gigahertz. 16 gigabytes of RAM, 8x2. So moving on through security into boot, we have a hard drive, disk write, network, and an MSAT SSD, 256 gigabytes to boot off of. And that's basically all I wanted to show here. We're going to be doing a timed startup here. Pretty soon it'll ask me to log in here. And then we're done. 35 seconds approximately.
So now I'd just like to show off some of the graphic capabilities with this computer. I'm going to do so by going on Minecraft here and loading up a Sonic Ethers shader mod world. And I'm recording at the same time here, so remember that. I'm going to open F3 here. We're getting a solid 32 frames per second with the shaders mod installed and recording at the same time. And I mean, this takes some real horsepower to run this mod successfully. I mean, like, just look at how nice Minecraft looks. At the same time, editing software runs quite smoothly, in fact. Example shown. Please leave any concerns or comments in the comment section below. This has been your reviewer, Donkey's Breath, and here is the all-anticipated iTunes light show run by Alienwear effects.